Today's the day! It's the first day of school! Wake up, Panda, there's so much to do!
Do you have your backpack, Panda?
Yes, I do! Look, it's shiny and blue!
Do you have your yummy lunch, Panda?
Yes, I do! Crunch, crunch, crunch! Do you have your favorite rocket toy?
Yes, I do! Zooming to the moon!
Let's walk together hand in hand. Preschool is the best place in the land.
Wow! Look at the school! It has a giant rainbow arch!
Are you feeling a little bit nervous, Panda?
Yes, I am. My tummy feels a little silly.
It's okay to be nervous, but you are so brave. You're going to have an amazing day.
Are you ready to play and smile, Panda?
Yes, I am! I am super ready now! Woo!
Give us a big, giant family hug before you go.
Wow! Look at all the toy blocks and the drawing station. Look! I found my very own cubby with my name on it. Backpack goes right here.
Will you wave and greet your teacher nicely, Panda?
Yes, I will! Hello, teacher!
Have so much fun, Panda! We love you! See you after school!
I did it! My first day of school is going to be amazing! Bye-bye, everyone!